Give me a second. So what'd you see?
I picked up this young lady right here for one night that you all talking to her, and all of a sudden the other young lady, I don't know if it's her partner, roommate, or whatever, she came running up, give me a ride, and then she started berating this girl.
The blonde girl's berating the other girl?
No, the dark-haired girl. This lady was a complete angel.
You witnessed it, or did her?
Oh, yeah.
Where were they when you got hit?
She was sitting right there. Dark-haired girl was making such a scene. And I said, okay, I'll take you back. And you can go to the pool and get your stuff. And I was dropping her off. She walked down that walkway trying to get the pool. And she says, I don't know where the I'm going. And the girl just threw the cup, hit her in the face. The cup top went over there, and some of the drink hit my leg.
Okay, thanks. All right. So what do you want to do about it? What'd you say?
I want her off. I want to press charges because that's very disrespectful.
What's her name? Josie? Hey, Josie. I'm Officer Kai from the Beach Police Department. You got your ID on you by chance?
I'm a little intoxicated, so.
You don't know where it's at?
It's at back home. My friend is trying to set me up.
She's trying to set you up?
Yes, that's what it's all about.
How'd you spell your first name?
P.
Your first name's
Yeah.
last name?
My first name's Josie, Josie.
What's a good address for you?
I don't know.
You don't know where you live?
I do, but I'm still intoxicated right now.
Well, let's step over here so he can get back to work. But you're going to have to get off the cart.
I can't carry all this being intoxicated.
Well, you can put it on the ground. There we go. You're good to go. Alright, so I'm fixing to read you what's called your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Look at me. Listen to me. Do you understand what I just read to you? Are you sure you understand all of it?
I want an attorney.
Okay, cool. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Why? Because I want
Turn
an
around.
attorney. No. I'm not. No, that's not. Don't fucking touch me.
This is gonna be a lot worse for you.
I don't give a shit. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Alright, cool. Now we're done.
Yeah, no.
Now we're done.
Stop! I'm hot. This is hurting me, please. Oh my God.
Just don't fight.
Stop! I'm burning. Lift me
Stop
up.
fighting with me.
I'm not gonna fight with you. I'm burning the fuck up. Lift me the fuck up. I'm hot.
Get on the ground.
No! I'm burning the fuck up, you bastard.
Let me put your coat. Put your arm behind your back now.
No! I swear to God, Bonnie, you're gonna get stop!
Is that your golf cart? Yes, sir. Alright, cool. Can you
Get
grab my
my
cuffs?
shit.
Take a seat.
You're a goddamn fucking bastard.
1015 White Emo for Bat, LEO, and Simple Bat.
And that's what it's gonna be. Bonnie, you're a fucking bitch. I'm your fucking best friend. What the fuck is wrong with you? I didn't do nothing wrong at all. You guys are fucking mean and bastards and whatever. Look at me in the eyes. You're dead.
Go ahead and
So
add
bad
threats to
with
law
your
enforcement.
stupid arms.
Let's slow ride it over to my car.
No, I have more shit from her and I want my shit from her.
Yeah, go ahead, back up.
Connie, you're dead. Fucking bitch. Goddamn dead, you stupid ugly cunt. Oh, Mr. Cop, please get my glasses. Get my fucking glasses.
You need to sit down.
No, fuck you.
Sit down.
Don't fucking touch me. Put your, I swear to God,
Keep going. Yeah.
you're gonna get it.
Cool.
Mary Nation's gonna fucking murder you.
You got a backup coming?
No, I don't need it. Cool. This is gonna be a lot more fun now.
Damn bitch. You're a little bitch. I've never been arrested. I've never been in trouble my whole goddamn life. You set me the fuck out. I didn't even goddamn do anything. You're pissing me the fuck off. You ain't gonna do shit. You're a goddamn piece of shit.
Alright, we're done. Come on.
No. Stop. What are you gonna do? My ass, huh? What are you gonna do? Piece of shit.
Get in the car.
How many times did you spit in your face?
like 3 or 4 times now. She kicked me twice, slapped me. So her and this girl are staying. Yeah.
Okay.
They're staying in a condo across the street. They get into an argument. She's acting like this. I've got the witness information already. He was a tram driver, and she took one of the cups, struck her upside the head with it. Got her story and the driver's story, and it matched up perfectly. Go to Mirandize her. She's like, lawyer. I said, okay, cool. Go ahead and turn around for me real quick. And she's like, no. And so I go to grab her wrist. She immediately starts smacking me. I take her to the ground. She keeps on trying to resist. I end up getting hinges on her, get her up, put her on the golf cart over here so we can come back to my car. She spits on me like 4 times.
Okay.
She's kicked me twice.
Okay.
She's threatened to have me killed by the Aryan Nation.
Okay.
So simple that on her, 33 on me, and threats to law enforcement with death.
Okay, what is she on?
Alcohol.
She hasn't calmed down yet.
No. She was calm until I broke the cuffs out.
She was calm until you broke the cuffs out.
Yeah.
Does she want to press charges of
Yes.
battery?
She does.
Okay. What kind of relationship are they in?
They're not dating or anything like that.
So friends.
Yeah, they're just friends.
All right, step on out. You get searched and change up those handcuffs.
I can't get out. Oh,
You can step out.
I am trying to, but my wrists are hurting so bad.
Your wrist has nothing to do with you scooting forward.
Wrist
Don't cuss me because I'm not cussing you.
I'm trying to be polite.
Listen, all you have to do is scoot.
No, it's not fair. She set me up. There were our bills to begin with.
Come on.
I can't just fucking scoot out. What do you want me to fucking do?
Scoot out.
I can't.
Why?
Because I'm too fat. I guess I don't fucking know. Scoot out here. I
There
can't
you
do
go.
it here.
My officer's going to search you real quick.
She set me up.
Step away from the car. I'm Officer Wembley. I'm doing your search. All right, he's gonna fix your cuffs for you. Go ahead,
Turn back around. Turn back around.
Is that better? Go ahead and have a seat.
She's got cocaine. Go to her house. There will be cocaine there.
Okay. I'm gonna buckle you in.
She's the one that started this. It's not even me, it's her. I mean, earlier she's like, okay. And then she kept laughing. And she's still.
Okay. I'm gonna close the door now. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Goddamn dead.
Yeah, that's what I took off of her waistband.
Brother,